स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का पॉलिटिकल साइंस का 10th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं। इसके पहले फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स, उसके बाद वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन। देखिए फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। देखिए द वर्ल्ड्स वर्स्ट गैस ट्रेजेडी टुक प्लेस इन भोपाल। भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी वाज टुक प्लेस ऑन 2 December 1984। इन भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी ऑलमोस्ट 8,000 पीपल्स वर डाइड। American company named Union Carbide was responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy. Consumers is an individual who buys goods for personal use. Move to the next question. What is meant by environment? Environment means surrounding or conditions under which a person or things exist and develop its characteristics. Do you think the minimum wages for a construction workers is adequate, or low or high? Minimum wages for a construction workers is adequate. Write those rights which are part of right to life: right to health, right to shelter, right to education. Who directed industries in residential areas in Delhi to close down or shift out of the city? Delhi High Court. Which issue is brought to the forefront by Bhopal disaster? The issue of environment. Why foreign companies come to India? Give one reason. One reason why foreign companies come to India is for cheap labor. What do you mean by environment degradations? It is the deterioration of environment both in quality and quantity. Pollution is the major cause for it. Who set the minimum wages? The government set the minimum wages. Next देखिए, what is social justice? How social justice is ensured? Social justice means the abolition of all social inequalities and provision of equal opportunity to all the individuals living in society. Thus, social justice means that all the peoples living in society are equal. The people should not be treated discriminatorily on the basis of caste, religion, sex, etc. The government controls the activities of individuals or private companies to ensure social justice. Next देखिए, what is meant by environment? Environmental means surrounding or conditions under which a person or thing exists and develop its characteristics. Second one, it is divided into natural environment and human environment. Next देखिए, what is environmental degradations? First one, it refers to the deterioration of environment both in terms of quantity and quality. If the resources are used in large quantity, it leads to their depletions. If they are used in inefficient ways, it results in the deterioration of the environment. Next देखिए, explain the importance of social justice. The importance of social justice is increasing day by day in modern democratic states. Social justice is the very basis of present and welfare states. Social justice is very essential for the maintenance of social harmony and peace in the society. To make democracy a success, social justice is essential. Next question देखिए, discuss the articles of the Indian Constitution with regard to environment. First one, it is one of the fundamental duties of the state to protect and improve environment and to safeguard the forest and wildlife of the country. Second one, it is the duty of every citizen of India to protect and improve the natural environment including forest, lake, river and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. What are environmental laws? The laws passed by government regarding conservation of nature or for protections of some specific natural resources are called environmental laws, such as Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, Environmental Protections Act 1986, Forest Conservation Act 1980, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, etc. Do you think the victim of the Bhopal gas tragedy got justice? Discuss. The world's worst industrial tragedy took place in Bhopal 30 years ago. American company Union Carbide had a factory in Bhopal which produced pesticides. On 2 December 1984, at midnight, a highly poisonous gas started leaking from the UC plants. More than 8,000 people died within 3 days and about 50,000 poor working class families were badly affected. Even now, these people are not fit for working. Thousands of children became abnormal. This tragedy was not due to accident, rather it was due to lack of essential safety measures in the factory. But the company UC refused to take responsibility. The government represented the victim in a civil case and demanded $3 million as compensation in 1985, but accepted $470 millions in 1989. Survivors went to the Supreme Court, but Supreme Court decided that the settlement amount wouldn't stand. In fact, it was a great injustice to the victims. Victims got very poor compensation. देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए. What do you mean when we speak of law enforcement? Who is responsible for enforcement? Why is enforcement so important? There are three organs of governments: legislatures, executive and judiciary. Lawmaking, it is a main functions of legislature, but merely lawmaking is not sufficient. Enforcement of laws are equally important. Without implementations, law has no value. Law is implemented by the executive. The executive is to see that all the laws are properly obeyed and those who break the laws are punished. For example, Minimum Wages Act has no importance unless the governments supervise and check that workers got their wages in accordance with the provision of act and punishes those who violate the law. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.